What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video I'm gonna share with you some nice flight simulator that is hidden inside Google Earth. So go to Google and type Google Earth, go to this first result, wait for the load to happen. Then you can review the upper right corner of my screen. There is an option Expanded Speed, okay, click on it, this blue button, and right here you're gonna be able to see the Earth. Let me see if I can find. Here, for example. Then, review the upper left corner of my screen. We have File, Edit, View, Add, Tools, and Help. Go to Tools and Flight Simulator. Have a look at it. You can flight over the place. Nice, right? And you can essentially explore every place on the planet, all into a simple, easy, and effective way. Nice, right? I can spend some hours right here. And of course, you can play with any place on the planet. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.